Hi guys, Lee from Mega here. Today I'm down in Dover getting ready to do some more videoing on the new X1. But before I do that, I'm going to be reposting following this the old video that we did, one of our first ones on Earth Electrode Testing. We're going to be revamping this in the new year, making it look a little bit more polished for you and including the new X1 onto it. But in the meantime, sit back, I hope you get something out of it and enjoy. Cheers guys. Hi guys, Lee from Mega here, and welcome to another Under the Magnifying Glass video. I'm joined again by my colleagues Gary Dickinson and Gordon Billings. So let's start this video with a quick question. What's the first thing that comes to mind when you think about the Earth?
As an electrician, you'll probably immediately think of green and yellow cables or copper buzz bars, and that isn't very surprising. But we'd like to look at the Earth as in soil, the Earth where you grow plants in or build foundations on. This Earth also has an electrical property, namely conductance, which is due to its relatively low resistance and is where the Earth, in earthing, gets its name.
Broadly speaking, Earth resistance is the resistance of the soil to the passage of electric current. If the area the current is to flow in is large enough, resistance should be quite low, and so the Earth can be a good conductor. It is the Earth's amount and availability that make it an indispensable component of properly functioning electrical system.
We don't want to go too deep into the theory and mathematics. There's many books and papers that cover this. As in the picture, testing of earth electrodes must be in accordance with BS 7430, and measurements of earth resistivity are useful for finding the best location and depth for low resistance earth electrodes.
There are a few different ways of earth electrode testing. If you have a quick look at the image on screen, many of the MFT 1700 range can carry out earth electrode testing.
We would like to show you one of these methods, the three-pole test, using the MFT 1741+. Here we have an image of the setup of the test we will be carrying out. So let's have a look now with Gordon doing the test.
I've already laid everything out, so we start with the current spike with the red lead attached, which is placed at the furthest point. The distance of this spike away from the electrode, which was marked as D on the earlier diagram, forms the basis of all measurements for the positioning of the voltage spike. Going back towards the electrode under test, I've already pre-measured out the optimum 62% position for the potential spike and connected the yellow lead. The leads then run back to the MFT and are connected in the colour-coded terminals, marked in red with a small c for the current spike and yellow with a small p for the potential spike. From the terminal marked green with the small x, we run the green lead with the crock clip and connect to the electrode under test. I had already disconnected the electrode, and so we can now carry out the test. We set the tester on RE in the brown section on the left-hand selector, and then 2P and 3P on the right-hand selector. Press the test button and the test is underway, the screen flashing to show the test is in progress. And as you can see, we achieve a reading of 162 ohms.
Gordon, I'm often asked, is it as accurate as a live test?
Yes, it is, Gary. Just to prove the point, the electrode being tested was installed on a vehicle charging point, and I carried out a test through the charging point once connected, and it comes out at 166 ohms. So as you can see, approximately 4 ohms difference, which I'm sure you'll agree shows how accurate it is.
So there you have it then. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video about earth electrode testing. As always, if you have any questions about today's discussion or the MFT range of testers that can perform the other methods of electrode testing and anything else mega related, please contact your area manager, which is being displayed at the end of this video. Once again, thank you to Gary and Gordon, and keep a lookout for more Under the Magnifying Glass videos. Thanks guys.